Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share latest job openings in Bangalore location. So as you can see here, Compass Group having lots of vacancies for different positions like a senior restaurant manager, assistant restaurant manager, food and beverage executive, captains, stewards, South chef for Indian and continental, CDP South, North, Tandoor and continental, guest relations executive, HSEQ executive, data entry operators and MIS, and lastly like finance executive. So these are the job vacancies available. So if you want to apply for any of the job position, go and drop your resume at this mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.